Daily Horoscope for January 6, 2018. Aries. There might be a slight lack of balance during your exchanges. If you really love being right and having the upper hand, there might be solutions to backpedal without necessarily losing face. It's up to you to put the thinking cap on and move in this direction. There is still hesitation even if things are obvious. There are 1,000 ways to build up confidence, but daring to make the first step is efficient generally speaking, provided you're not turned down, otherwise you'll be starting from square one with zero motivation. Unwinding and getting some fresh air is a good idea. Grab onto all the opportunities you can to do this as soon as possible. Giving up isn't part of your professional habits. You're a shrewd collaborator, but some details might cast doubt on an ongoing project and cause delays even if the deadlines were well established. Taurus, your ability to speak your mind is a real asset in this domain. Expressing your feelings, talking about your problems and identifying the things that make you happy help you and your partner strengthen your relationship day after day. You two find it easy, as a result, to diffuse little arguments before they've even broken out. Well done! You can expect an enjoyable day filled with surprises on the love front, my Taurus friend. Make sure someone you're flirting with isn't already in a relationship to avoid disappointment in the very near future. Better safe than sorry. Developing feelings for the wrong person is the best way of getting hurt in this domain. Be careful on the road. Drive safely and never go over the speed limit. You could get fined. Or worse. If you're on duty this Saturday, a lack of concentration could cause you to make plenty of uncharacteristic mistakes in the workplace. If that's the case, take the time to write your priorities down and only do one thing at a time, please. Gemini, you're floating on a cloud of love and your partner has not failed to notice the positive change in your behavior. The Moon-Pluto trine is bringing you and your loved one closer together and helping you to put your doubts to one side. You like to keep your partner on their toes and have plenty of tricks up your sleeve to make sure they don't get bored. They won't know what's hit them. Love is your number one priority today. The Moon-Pluto trine is giving you a burst of motivation and you're ready to get back in the game. You'll cross paths with someone special today and they will send your heart into a flutter. Once you've succeeded in snaring your prey, there is no chance of you letting them out of your sight. You haven't been getting enough beauty sleep and you're starting to feel tired and cranky. Get an early night. Your organizational skills are second to none and you know exactly how to make the most of a situation and turn things round to your advantage. If you're offered the chance to take on more responsibility, then accept the offer with open arms. The Moon-Pluto trine suggests that this is the beginning of a new chapter. Cancer, you and your partner don't seem to be on the same wavelength today. You're far too possessive for their liking. Your lover will start being a lot kinder to you the second you accept to give them your trust. Spending time under the quilt together will eventually allow to settle your disagreements this Saturday. Enjoy yourself instead of asking useless questions all the time. Your heart is torn between two potential suitors today. To tell you the truth, you're not even sure that either of them is right for you. Which is why you will begin texting a third person, just in case. Flirting with several people at the same time will actually help you understand your sentimental expectations this Saturday. You don't really feel like doing anything today. Yet, a good workout would help you empty your mind and get rid of your negative thoughts. You're beginning to wonder whether your current position is going to provide you with the opportunities to move your career forward you so desperately want. Asking yourself the right questions isn't easy, but it will help you fulfill your potential. Leo, mix love and sweetness and you'll obtain a delicious cocktail of tenderness and flawless recognition. Prove to the latter that you love him and most importantly, show this. It's important to break the routine to express what you feel deep down. Otherwise, how can you expect the other to guess? Done with gloominess. You're headed towards new horizons with enthusiasm which characterizes you. Keep going. You play it by ear thanks to Neptune in a positive manner. Go with the flow of your intuition, it's dead on and takes you towards promising paths. If there is doubt during the day, it shouldn't last long as you will do your best to forget about this quickly. You might be offered a chance to progress in your career, and if you don't see it as something interesting for now, don't dismiss this idea quickly. It could evolve rather quickly in your mind and stay put, and become inescapable. Virgo, Neptune facing the moon is turning your relationship into a minefield. You know that some things have been left unsaid when it would have been better to get them out in the open. You suspect that your loved one is hiding something from you and are beginning to fear the worst. Their friends seem to be having a bad influence on them. Dear single, you feel a strong physical attraction to someone in your entourage. You are reluctant to act on this as you are unsure of the implications it will have on your social circle. Your fear of rejection also prevents you from laying your cards on the table. Dig a little deeper first to find out if the feeling is mutual before going in for the kill. Digestion problems are a sign that your body isn't happy with the way you're treating it. Rich foods should be avoided at all costs for the whole of January. Jupiter and Mars are stimulating your gray matter and helping you to make the right decisions at work. The stars are going out of their way to make sure your projects finally see the light of day. You know exactly what to do to reach your goals and nothing will stand in your way. Libra, the combination of the Sun and Pluto's energies are making you crave the pleasures of the flesh. You're turning into a cannibal when it comes to love and can't keep your hands off of your partner. They are surprised by this sudden change of behavior but can't wipe the smile off their face. If you get stuck in a lift together, then at least you'll know how to pass the time. The Sun-Pluto configuration is making your brain work overtime and you won't give up without a fight today, especially when it comes to snaring your prey. You've met some interesting new faces and can't wait to see what the future holds. Your libido is on top form and some fun between the sheets is the first thing on your agenda. The Moon-Mercury square is making you unable to resist temptation. Fatty foods and sweet treats will be your downfall today. The Sun-Pluto conjunction will help to shake your ideas up today. Conversations with various colleagues will allow you to see that you are capable of so much more than your current position offers. Keep your eyes peeled for new opportunities. Scorpio, your other half is delighted to see so many planets in Capricorn today. He or she won't care that you find it less easy than usual to express your feelings. No. What matters to your partner the most is your ability to sit down and make exciting projects together. The position of Venus will not stop you from enjoying a kiss and a cuddle at nighttime, anyway. You're so desperate to meet the love of your life that you could stop yourself from getting close to anybody who isn't 100% right for you today. What a shame. You will meet someone who isn't exactly your type right now, but who would make a fantastic long-term partner. Listen to your real sentimental desires. Remember to take regular breaks throughout the day and make sure you get enough sleep at night. Go for a nap if you need to. You will have no choice but to work to the best of your ability today. Stimulating challenges are waiting for you in the workplace. Remember to switch your brain off in your spare time if you don't want to allow work to take over your life. Sagittarius, promising stability and relaxation encourage you to express all your sensuality. This series of beautiful moments might be put on standby temporarily to favorably take care of a little family emergency. Rest assured, you'll hop on the right moving train as soon as possible. The spark of curiosity and interest you feel towards everyone surrounding you is like a driving force which takes you towards promising encounters. You possess the necessary illumination within yourself to light up a room as soon as you make an entrance. If you come across a promising opportunity, this state of grace will place you in a very favorable position. This isn't the ideal day to make last-minute changes, you prefer order and anticipation. Taking a step back might turn out to be essential during certain crucial steps in your profession. If you feel this need regularly, don't push away triggering signs which are extremely obvious. Capricorn, you'll be very much in love, whether you got together recently or have been a couple for many years. You'll be delighted to discover your partner from a new angle. You'll love being surprised after so many years. This will strengthen your ties and get you closer. You're convinced that you'll grow old together. Buddy Capricorn, an encounter awaits you. Whether it's purely erotic or really emotional, it doesn't matter as it's true. You'll go with the flow, without trying to find out more. Whether it lasts a night or a lifetime, you won't think about it for the time being. The only thing which will matter to you is satisfying your desire. Stay at home to re-energize, why not? But don't isolate yourself. At least communicate through text message or social network. Sun and Pluto will give you the ability to handle a daunting task at work. Very committed to what you do, you won't hesitate to work more than what is required. The additional hours don't scare you. Aquarius. You're in touch with your emotions thanks to the Mars-Neptune trine, and your sensitive side is finally revealing itself. Your discussions with your loved one will be focused on the psychology behind love and relationships, and you will learn a great deal from listening to each other's viewpoints. The weekend is off to a good start. You're brushing up on your flirting skills and have even read a book on how to seduce the opposite sex. Your sex life has taken a backseat recently, but all that is about to change today. You've got yourself a reputation as a heartbreaker, but you're determined to show that you're serious this time round. You're trying your best to get back in the driving seat, but you feel like you're stalling. 1 step forwards, 2 steps back. Dear Aquarius, you want to feel that you're getting something valuable out of your job rather than just earning your paycheck. The police, social work, or the army would be right up your street. Mars will help you to find the job of your dreams today. Pisces, you consider doing something new or going away together in order to break your routine. You won't tell your other half that, but you are also desperate to drag them away from a new group of friends who is having far too much influence on their latest life choices. Either way, you will enjoy a delightful Saturday in each other's company, and that's the only thing that matters. Don't be afraid to have fun, to go out with people you barely know. The Sun, Venus conjunction in your house 11 indicates that you could meet someone through friends or when taking part in an unusual activity today. Flirting with a complete stranger will give your confidence the boost it so desperately needs. Do something about your digestive problems, even if you generally feel pretty fit and healthy otherwise. You don't know how yet, but you will bring your projects to life today. Supported by Mars in Scorpio, you will be impressively driven and ambitious in this domain. Nobody can stand in the way of your objectives.